Hey guys, it's Mr. Wolfe here, and I'm going to be going over the scenario getting swole. So, reading through this passage, it looks like I'm dealing with proteins. So, I'm going to write that right here. And in terms of am I breaking a molecule, am I making one? In this case, it looks like I'm trying to replace or repair damaged protein. So, in this case, I'm going to be making a molecule chain. And then, did anything happen to the reactants beforehand? In this case, no. We've done an example with plants with amino acids where something has happened before, where there's some extra steps. But it also tells us in our scenario that your body is going to use amino acids from the peanuts you just digested. So the nice thing is you just got amino acids from the food you eat. Your body doesn't need to make them. However, it still can. All right, so in this case, I'm just going to start off. Well, before I get to my reactants, I'm going to finish this. It says circle where this process is occurring. So I'm trying to make muscle protein. So this process, reading from the passage, this is going to happen in my muscles. So I'm going to circle the muscle on this guy. So I have answered the questions on my scenario sheet to kind of just get a foothold of everything. Now I need to model what's happening. And remember, I'm going to be making a molecule chain. It's going to be a protein. So I'm going to use this chart right here to start drawing my reactants. So I'm drawing 3 amino acids. And if I forget how to draw them, I can always just reference the guide right here. And then these amino acids are going to combine to make a protein. And let's say that this amino acid joined with this one. Well, then this hydrogen and this OH had to get cleaved off in order for them to attach. So we're left with a water molecule right here from these 3 atoms. Same thing when this amino acid comes by, this one gets taken off along with the OH, so we get another water molecule. And then this H right here stays on, as well as the OH over here. Right. So the nice thing that we've shown is the conservation of mass, the fact that atoms can't be created or destroyed. There's the same amount of oxygen before and afterwards, same amount of hydrogen before and afterwards. The atoms within the rest of my amino acids and the rest of the amino acids of my protein are still there as well. And then I've also shown that these amino acids combine to make a polymer in this case. Right, so I've modeled my reaction. Next thing I need to do is just kind of summarize everything that's happening as well as explain why this process is happening. So, and I'm also going to make sure that I have everything from my word bank. So I'm going to say that amino acids combine to make a new protein. I've used my specific monomer and polymer terminology for proteins, and then I just need to include where this process occurs. So here I'm referencing muscles, so I'm showing this is happening in the muscles. So I've hit these things. Next thing I need to do is just explain why this happens. So amino acids combine to make new protein molecules, to repair torn muscle fibers, and to make additional muscle fibers, and this allows your muscles to become larger and stronger.